Hello guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? It's been a while. It's been almost 3 months now. I haven't been active on YouTube. I have been uploading videos, even watching YouTube videos. That's because I was very busy. Well, I'm going to come up with a video to explain why I was off YouTube for that long period of time, and hopefully I'll be back soon. So today I was doing my stretch mark body cream. So I just want to share with you guys what I use for my stretch mark. If you have stretch marks or you're trying to prevent stretch marks, this is very good for you. It's a very simple receipt, and also it's not very expensive. I mean, if you think of the prices that you're going to buy stretch mark cream from the market, is very expensive, but if you DIY yours at home, it will save you that money. So let's go straight and let me show you guys the ingredients I'll be using for this stretch mark cream. I have shea butter. Of course you need your shea butter. This is the shea butter, and also need my coconut oil for the cream. This is homemade coconut oil, and I'll also be using aloe vera gel. You can get the aloe vera from Forever 27, or you can just buy this one. I got this one from a pharmacy shop. You can just get normal aloe vera. And also you need beetroot fruits. I don't know if you know beetroot. This is a fruit. I'm going to be using this beetroot. So for the ingredients, if I'm using 1 spoon of shea butter, I'll use 1 spoon of coconut oil, 1 spoon of aloe vera, and 1 spoon of beetroot juice. I'm going to grate this one and extract the juice. I'll be using the juice. So the measurement is 1 spoon each. If you're using 5 spoon, everything has to be 5 spoon. So guys, I'll go straight ahead and show you how I do my stretch mark body cream. So guys, this is my beetroot. I have peeled it, and I'm ready to, I'll use this grater to grate it. You can actually grate it and extract the juice, or you can blend it in the blender. So I'm just going to grate it, and I'll be right back to show you guys. It's really red. You can see my hands. It's also good for blood. This beetroot is a really good fruit. It does a lot of things. If your HB is very low, you can drink this juice. If you're trying to lose weight, you can also drink the beetroot juice. It's a very good antioxidant. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to use a cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice and use the amount I'm going to be using to make my stretch mark body cream. So guys, yeah, stay tuned. So guys, I'm ready. I want to start doing the stretch mark body cream. My beetroot juice is ready. I already grated it and squeezed the juice, and this is approximately 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. I'm going to be using 2 spoons each to do the body, to the stretch mark cream. I'll start my coconut oil. I'll use 2 spoons of the coconut oil. And I'll use 2 spoons of shea butter. This shea butter is very important for stretch mark. For the aloe vera, you can skip the aloe vera and use only shea butter, coconut oil, and beetroot. It's optional. The aloe vera also does a great job in the body, so that's why I'm using my aloe vera. So I'm going to use 2 spoons of beetroot. Beetroot juice. And just mix that together. can actually mix it in a bowl. So because of the fresh beetroot, you don't want to do like too much of the stretch mark cream. Just want to do small quantity, which you can do which can last for like 1 month. Mix it very well so it gets smooth. So guys, this is the end product. This is how it looks like. You can actually apply it on your body twice a day. On every area that you think that there's stretch mark, apply it twice a day after you take a shower. And if you don't have stretch marks and you're trying to prevent the stretch mark, it's very good. So guys, yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Do not leave without clicking the like button, and of course guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as you do so, God bless you. I'll see you again in my next video. To have a lovely day, to have a blessed day. Bye.